Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can automatically stop songs on Spotify. So if you want to listen to song before go to sleep, but you don't want your battery to run out because you listen to the song until the morning, you can use the sleep timer feature on Spotify. So here I've already opened my Spotify, and let's say I listen to the songs currently listening to the song. So what you need to do is just click on the three dots icon at the top right corner, then scroll down until you find sleep timer. So click on that, and there will be lots of options. You can stop the song automatically in the end of the track, or for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, oops 15, 30, 45, until 1 hour. And here let's say I want to adjust it for 30 minutes. Just click on that, and then your sleep timer is set. So after 30 minutes these songs will be automatically stopped. And that's all for me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also like this video. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.